thanks for checking out my videos. I'm a bit late to the MNRCs, especially with their new generation. It's already out, but this one I did really like and I found a great deal on, so I decided to pick it up and I'm pretty happy with it so far. This is the MN96. It's the military edition. Very cool. It comes with the tan body, which I have on the way. But I wanted to give you a shot of the accessories that it comes with. You do have to put the accessories together. This is RTR. Um, uh, but here you go. It's got this little med pack luggage, a backpack, this action figure, barrel, a little crate and cover, um, and on top of that you have the tools: shovel, pick, axe, a little fire extinguisher, a bazooka. I thought it was pretty cool over here, so I relocated it there. um, Two rifles: sniper, assault, and the mounted. And this thing articulates, which is cool. Two gas tanks, a flare gun, which I thought that was a cool spot for, and then even a little frying pan, which is funny. But you know, I really like scale, and this is definitely a pretty cool one. And take a look at the inside. Pretty cool interior. So I know it's not anything new, but I thought it was cool and I wanted to share it with you guys in case you guys haven't decided on yourself. But check that out. The jack does have little spots for lights, but it's not wired. At least the rear lights are not. The fronts are. But it also, the tires did not come glued, so that's something you gotta keep in mind. But very soft, nice tires, or they feel pretty good. Um, they're not padded. There's no foam inside, but not a problem. I'll probably take the time to stick some in there if needed. But doesn't come with oil shocks. That's probably the only thing I'll probably throw on there. Maybe a bigger motor. So I stayed away from the MNs because I was pretty deep in the WPLs. So I was trying not to overlap and overstep, but again, found a great deal on these and decided to give it a go. And already I'm really happy with the scale on the body. So stick around for the unboxing if you want.